Hey everyone, thanks for joining me here at Power Mods. We're having a great time in the studio today. We're installing this Rjwc dual exhaust, full exhaust system in this bike. It flows a ton of air, way more than the original system. I mean, the size of the pipes are much bigger. We like bigger pipes, right? So we've got all this air ramming through this system. You gotta have a controller. It's highly recommended when doing this. We hooked one of these systems up to our old Polaris, or our old Kawasaki Brute over there, and it barely runs. So you need to make changes. There's a lot of air flowing through there. The mixture is a lot different. It's run a lot leaner. That's what this fuel tuner does. So we're gonna hook this up to the bike. It's very simple. These are preset. This is for the Can-Am 1000. You pull off the gray clips on your injectors. You plug this one back on, and then you plug this into your gray clips that came off the injectors. And then you just hook this thing up here. That's just a negative, it's just a ground. It goes right to your battery. That's all. When I first looked in here, you can come over and take a look at this. It looked a little intimidating, I'm not gonna lie. Because man, everything is stuffed in here like you can't believe. This is, I just popped it off. This is the clip to the one injector. To get those off, all you need to do is squeeze the top of this clip. Right there, see where my thumb is? Bam, bam, clicking that, and it just boop, pops right off like nobody's business. Very easy to do. And to access that, all I did was, I just moved this out of the way. Get up out of there. I just put my fingers down, two fingers just went like this, boom, bam. Oops, that light on you? I just put the two fingers together, squeeze it together, and pulled it off. I didn't do it to this next one, but you can see this injector. You see that? Or the wire, the lead that goes to it. It's the gray thing. There, okay. Now it looks like that's gonna be really hard to get at, right? But watch this. Take that, Simon, from me. I'm just gonna put my two fingers together, press that clip, and jiggle it up. And it just pops right out, man. That is it. Like, that's how easy that happened. It was right there. Very easy. Now these are sealed, of course. Watertight, which is what we want because boys, we play in the mud and in the water, right? Doesn't really matter which way these go on. We've got this whole bike apart. I'm gonna be buttoning everything back up really tight together, and you know, I've taken the controls, all kinds of stuff off. But this is pretty simple to do. It's on, and it clipped in. Now this one, you can see the original plug here. That's it, all right? I'm not gonna run this over top of that. In fact, I'll run it behind it. That would be the smart thing to do. I wonder, I'll run it down through here, yep. There we go. It's clicked in. And we take the other one. That's it. Now these are programmable, of course. See, you can add and lower fuel. There are ways to adjust the mode, and we'll get into that in another video, actually, because I think it's got like a low, a medium, and a high fuel setting. Before I forget, I got to remind you to make sure that you subscribe, give me a big old thumbs up, and check us out on social media, on Facebook, Power Mods Facebook, and Power Mods Instagram. We love to have you there. You can't buy these from us, of course. We do have the Rjwc exhaust. We have all kinds of them in stock. Now, it does come with instructions, of course, this nice little box, and these little zip ties here, and this little Velcro sticky stuff, two-sided, so you can probably mount this in here just about anywhere you want. But before we do anything, I want to hear what it sounds like. This is not a major electrical modification to your bike. It is actually doing a good thing. I've said it before, you know, these bikes, when they come out of the factory, bikes, sleds, everything, man, they're leaned right out just to meet the manufacturer's emissions nonsense. We all have to deal with these days. This is driving me crazy. But anyway, I digress. I like it. That is how you install the Rjwc tuner on the Can-Am XMR 1000 Outlander. Very simple to do, actually. First, when I took that off, I looked at it and I was like, oh boy, I don't like these fingers and the wires. We got it figured out, and it's gonna work just great. I gotta thank you guys for watching. As usual, make sure you come back. I'm gonna button this thing up. We're going to the big mud run this weekend in St. Charles, so stay tuned for the videos. Thanks for watching.